Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade cornbread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, half a cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar for a touch of sweetness. Also, have 1 cup of buttermilk, half a cup of regular milk, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda ready. These simple items are the foundation for delicious, moist cornbread. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, sugar, and baking soda until well combined. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the buttermilk and milk. Next, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius with a cast iron skillet inside. This ensures a crispy crust. Carefully pour your batter into the hot skillet. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool slightly, then slice and serve warm with butter or honey. Here are some tips and variations to elevate your cornbread. For a savory option, try adding half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese or some diced jalapenos to the batter. If you don't have buttermilk, simply add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice to regular milk and let it sit for 5 minutes. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.